Yo, dog, who don't know about them thing, but it's the doctor, yeah. He might create a wicked serum in him lab, you know, dog. Wicked thing in him, Medusa serum. But what you don't know is that Dave, won't be using his bazooka. Medusa syrup on nobody. That sound right. Spit out that Rico. Huh? Uno stole the Medusa syrup? Yes. We steal the syrup, save the day, we do a job for you. Real bad man. How that? Dave. The boy broke their system again, you know. This your motoka again. Someone hear the sound. Yo, Dave, your microphone is not on. Click on the button or the picture of the microphone. Oh, the idiot there. Hello. Piss me off. Dave, we cannot see. Every minute. We like talking to a baby. How is it now? Yeah, clear. Yes, great. Now, where was I? Dave. Okay, boy, Dave. Greetings, gangsters. I see you met my old roommate. Yo, fix up them talk them. No meeting. Dog, you can't give me no talk. Right about now, I may lock the place. I may thief your Medusa syrup. Hey, lion boy, I will thief that. Over. It's over? So, why did I call you then? Oh, maybe to show you this. That's a whole heap of serum for 4 penguin. Oh, you thought this was just about your 4? No. We are just getting started. Now, can't burn me female sister. I have to go do some shopping for revenge. Dog, your teeth them want fix. Wait, how do you push the button? What about which one if you push? The one there. What about phone? I can't see it. The one there. Which one? Wait. Move, idiot.